The mountains always look different when the clouds settle low. There's a stillness that comes with the rain, a kind of quiet that makes you want to just listen. Inside, the house smells like cedar and wood smoke. Even the cat knows it's a day for staying in. I used to think the rain was lonely, but now it feels like a soft blanket wrapped around us.
The rain is so soothing. I could watch this all day.
I love opening the doors just a crack. The air is so crisp, it almost tastes like spring. Look at the valley. Everything is waking up. First, a little water to wake myself up. My favorite part of the morning is watching the steam dance against the gray sky. Then, the tea. It's the little things, isn't it? A quick sweep to keep the house tidy. And then I'll start the kettle. There's something so grounding about the rhythm of daily chores, while the world outside is so wild. The tea garden needs tending even in this weather. The leaves are so vibrant today, shining like emeralds under the droplets. Each one holds the flavor of the mist. Harvesting is slower when it's wet, but the scent is worth it. Bringing the mountain air back inside with me, it fills the whole room. Oh, you're finally here. I was wondering if the rain would hold you back. Come in, come in. You look like you've walked through the clouds themselves. Sit by the fire. Let the warmth get back into your bones. I've just finished drying a fresh batch of leaves. Can you smell that? That's the heart of the mountain right there in your cup. There's no rush today. Let's just sit and watch the rain fall for a while.